Today we will be using a lawn scarifier. This is going to remove all of the dead organic material, also known as thatch, from your lawn. Remember, all of the equipment mentioned in this video can be hired off the Frankie website. Frankie plant and tool hire drivers will do everything in their ability to deliver your order promptly, placing all of your equipment exactly where you need it and providing you with any extra support that you might need. This machine is a MAKITA lawn scarifier. It works by rotating metal blades vertically through grass to pull out all of the dead material, kind of like an automatic rake. With fast metal moving parts right next to your feet, it's probably a good idea to wear steel toe cap boots. We also recommend gloves and eye protection for this job. Firstly, plug the item in. This might require an extension depending how far your lawn is away from the nearest plug. To start the machine, press the red button and pull the red lever towards yourself. This will start the blades turning. The lever on the front of the scarifier changes the height of the cut. Now I used a 5mm for my first pass of the lawn, but this is because it was already short. On your second pass it would be a good idea to move down to 0mm or whatever's closest on the machine you're using. As you can see, there is a lot of weeds and dead material in my grass, so I'm about to go sort that out. In a straight line, I move the scarifier slowly and steadily across the lawn. It's very important to keep a consistent speed while doing this to make sure you take the same amount of material out of every patch of the grass. A useful tip is to probably keep making sure you don't run over the electric wire that's running right next to your machine. I was constantly having to move it, so if you are using an electric machine, keep that in mind. Once the back storage compartment's full, empty it into your nearest garden waste bin. Now it's time for a second lap. Remember, you want to do this at a slightly lower setting, so I'd go for somewhere closer to a 0mm setting. This is going to pick up all of the leftover bits of grass and also take out a little bit of extra garden waste material. Now for the final result. Please like this video and share it if you think it was useful. Comment any suggestions for future videos and subscribe with bell notifications on if you want to catch our future content.